Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Health and Fitness. If you're looking to tighten and flatten your stomach, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share with you the best exercises to help you achieve a strong, toned core. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's warm up to get our blood flowing and muscles ready. Follow along. March in place for 30 seconds. Do torso twists for 30 seconds. Finish with side bends for 30 seconds. Great. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the main exercises. Here are my top 5 exercises for tightening and flattening your stomach. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise. Plank hold. Get into a push-up position, keep your back straight, and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring your knees up, and alternate touching opposite elbows to your knees. Go slow and focus on controlled movements. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, then alternate bringing your knees to your chest quickly. Keep your core tight and hips level. Leg raises. Lie flat. Lift your legs until they're perpendicular to the floor and lower them slowly. Don't let your feet touch the ground between reps. Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist side to side, tapping the ground with your hands. Add a weight or medicine ball for more intensity. Don't forget to cool down to avoid soreness and improve flexibility. Start with a cat-cow stretch by alternating between arching and rounding your back while on all fours. Move into child's pose by sitting back on your heels and stretching your arms forward. Finish with a side stretch by reaching one arm overhead and leaning to the side. Consistency is key, so add these exercises to your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week and pair them with a balanced diet for the best results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Health and Fitness for more tips and workouts. See you next time.